Well, friends, I think it's safe to say that BBIG here is no joke. Vinco is here to stay. It is still killing the charts here in a very good way. Now, this has been obviously the best week Vinco has had in a very long time. Now, the chain reaction that started Vinco popping this week was the talk of the NFT market happening. They are merging with another company. They will have a streaming platform. They are messing around with crypto. There's a lot of things going on with this company. And like I said, the one thing that I like about this company is that it speaks to a lot of younger generation investors. Vinco is focused on digital media and content technologies. So with Vinco here, I really think you're looking at something new here. You're looking at a new walking, breathing investment here. It's going to be here for a while. Now, not only are we watching Vinco, the company, do a lot for its, day in, day out bread and butter, what they're trying to do to make a stake as a company, but we're also seeing the push up right now with investors. We, the investors, are trying to push this thing up to a high double-digit number as of right now. Now let's look at this right here. Since we had the first big pop with Vinco here, that was 827. Now Vinco popped into the $5 range that day, opened up around a $3.50 range. The high hit around a $6 range, and then ended around the $5.30 range. The next day, and you're going to start to see a little bit of a trend here, open up at 9, high 10, low of 6, lows of 7. Now today, Vinco made a high, broke into the $12 mark, almost hitting a $13 mark. So here's what I want to say, and don't chew me out right here, but here's what I want to say to you as an investor, because a lot of people are saying like, oh man, did I miss the boat here? Is it too late? Tomorrow is going to be very interesting to see where Vinco starts and where it ends, because still right now, even after hours, it's still got a lot going on. It's still moving. It ended high, but it's trailing back down into the high 10s here, which is still phenomenal. So Vinco's had 2 strong days here of opening up real strong. So tomorrow could go either way. This could open up and just do a fury right into a $13, $14 mark, maybe even a $15, or it could plummet right back down to an $8 mark, which I know a lot of you are like, oh man, I hope it does, because I really want to get more shares. And that's it right there. That's the key. That's what's going to drive up Vinco right there. What I just said. The more this goes down, this is showing people that Vinco is here to stay, because as it keeps hitting these new numbers and then trailing back down, people are just grabbing up more stock. But look at the volume we are having here with Vinco. This is insane volume, guys. Like this is insane volume you are seeing right now. This is not normal for something that has such a small market cap, such a small bid price, and that has so much volume this many days in a row. Like, this thing has been doing nothing but moving around since Monday. It's either been at 150,000 volume or a 300,000 volume, in that range. So right now, I think we're looking at a little bit of a ticking time bomb with Vinco here. This is going to be an interesting week for crypto, and it's going to be an even more interesting week for Vinco to see what it can pull off and to see if it can trail into this high teen mark and sustain it, keep it. But Vinco is already proving a lot of people wrong. People are saying, after it had this first big high here on August 31st, people were saying, get out of this thing, it's going back down, it's going to plummet back down to $3. Well, you know what, it hasn't. It's actually sustained a very high number, high volume, and it does nothing but keep going up. The calls keep getting higher, and investors are not letting this thing go. They're not letting it go down, which is phenomenal. So friends, as I've said, I am very bullish on Vinco Ventures here, BBIG, ticker on that one. I'm shooting for the moon on this one. I like what the company's doing. I like what they're a part of. I like that they're almost speaking to a older generation of investors, but they're really speaking to the newer generation of investors with what they're getting themselves into and what they are evolving into as a company. So friends, like I always say, remember, be positive, be you, work together, talk to each other. This is how we're going to get somewhere in this world with investing. We have to help each other. But friends, with all that said, I will talk to you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.